Natural Solutions for Ingrown Toenail. Relief, a home remedy guide. Welcome to our guide on natural remedies for treating ingrown toenails, a common but painful condition. Let's dive into how you can find relief at home using simple, natural methods. An ingrown toenail occurs when the edge of your toenail grows into the skin beside it. This can cause redness, pain, and swelling. Before trying any remedy, ensure your feet are clean and dry. Soaking your feet in warm, soapy water can soften the skin and nail. Do this for about 15 to 20 minutes 3 times a day. It reduces swelling and eases the pain. Adding Epsom salt to your soak can further help reduce pain and inflammation. The salt's magnesium content is particularly beneficial for skin health. Just a tablespoon in your foot bath will do. Gently lift the ingrown nail edge after your foot soak. You can use a clean piece of dental floss or a cotton ball to carefully lift the edge. This helps the nail grow outward. Applying apple cider vinegar to the affected area is another popular home remedy. Its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties can prevent infection. Dilute it with water and apply with a cotton ball. Essential oils like tea tree oil can also reduce inflammation and combat infection due to their natural antiseptic properties. Mix a few drops with a carrier oil and apply it to the sore spot. Keep your feet dry and avoid wearing tight shoes. Tight footwear can exacerbate the problem by pushing the nail further into the skin. Opt for sandals or loose-fitting shoes until the toenail heals. Trimming your nails properly is crucial. Cut straight across and avoid rounding the corners to prevent the nail from growing into the skin. Also, make sure your tools are sterilized to avoid infection. Another method is creating a protective barrier with a small piece of cotton or dental wax under the ingrown edge. This can help redirect the nail's growth pattern away from the skin. Applying a natural antibiotic ointment can help prevent infection while your toenail heals. Ingredients like honey or garlic have natural antibacterial properties and can be applied directly to the affected area. Increasing your intake of vitamins and minerals that promote skin and nail health can also help. Foods rich in vitamin E, potassium, and magnesium can support the healing process from the inside. Remember, patience is key with natural remedies. It might take a few weeks to see significant improvement. Monitor the area for signs of infection, such as increased pain, redness, or pus. If your ingrown toenail does not improve or worsens, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. Some cases may require medical treatment, so don't hesitate to seek help if needed. Thank you for watching. If you find this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe Physiomedics.